How to fix Do Not Disturb turning on automatically on Android. If your Android device is turning on Do Not Disturb mode automatically, it could be due to several settings or conditions. In this video, I'm going to show you several steps to diagnose and fix this issue. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. The first step is you need to check the DND, that is Do Not Disturb schedule settings. For that, you need to simply go to the settings on your device, and on the settings panel you need to simply tap on the option for sound and vibrations. Now select the Do Not Disturb option here, and then you need to check if schedules is turned on. If it is, then open it and you can disable it or adjust the schedule settings according to your preference. Now the next step what you need to do is, the second thing is you need to check the bedtime mode. For that, again go to the settings on your device and then tap on the digital well-being and parental controls. You need to simply select the bedtime and ensure that bedtime is not turning on to not disturb. If this is also not the issue, what you need to do is you need to check the system updates. Sometimes a system updates can fix bugs related to do not disturb mode. For that, again hop into the settings on your device and then search for update. Let's open the software updates and then ensure that your device is up to date. If not, you need to update your device, systems and the software. At last, you can boot your device into safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the issue. If Do Not Disturb mode does not turn on automatically in safe mode, a third-party app is likely to cause. So for that, you can simply hold on your power button and turn your mobile or device to power off. You can simply again hold on your power button and until the logo appears, and after the logo appears, you need to click on the volume button and your safe mode will be turned on. If none of these issues or the steps resolve the issue, you need to contact the device customer support for further assistance. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.